We are tracking hot, humid conditions, and the heat is on still for the day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine as we're under a ridge of high pressure. We do have areas of fog for tonight, and otherwise, we're really tracking the heat and humidity still into tomorrow as this ridge of high pressure remains in control. But we do have some cooling ahead, and we'll be talking about that. But let's focus first on this evening. We've got quiet conditions. Warm weather, even at 9 o'clock, we're looking at temperatures at around 82 and overnight lows bottoming out in the upper 60s, we're thinking, with morning lows at around 69. We'll be climbing to the 90s yet again for tomorrow, nowhere near the record of 100 set back in 1918, but definitely above the norm. As we take a look at our water vapor satellite imagery, I wanted to showcase Tropical Storm Debbie. Made landfall as a hurricane in the Florida Panhandle. It's continuing to march its way along the eastern seaboard. And then we've got this area of dry air. As you can see, that black color indicating that dry air mass. That's what's dominating us here in Kentucky. So you can see the contrast between the moisture and the dry conditions. A lot of Debbie's moisture will stay out to the east. We've got a front that's stalling to the north. And this next front will be eventually working its way on through Tuesday evening, bringing us some relief from the heat later this week. But with this ridge in control, really shielding us from Debbie's impacts at this point, keeping us dry. This is what's going to be maintaining a very dry and stable atmosphere across the region. So we'll be watching for that. Meanwhile, lows tonight will be down into the 70s and 60s. Again, some areas of fog. That's what you see there with those three lines in the clouds. Areas of patchy fog a possibility. And then as we look at the forecast for tomorrow, it's hot. High temperatures reaching the low to mid 90s. Heat indices in the upper 90s. But noticing the cooling trend ahead. Post cold front, we'll notice that cooler air moving in, mid 80s by the end of this week with a stretch of sun ahead.